Hi everybody, thought I'd do a little studio tour of the workspace in my home and some of the stuff that's in the room, starting with this Huff Patrick Nagel skate deck. You'll see that I have several skate decks in the room. Then moving on to this Olivia print with the Batman Catwoman and a bunch of stickers from the 70s, and my desk with some of my golden age comics and some sketch that I'm working on, some of the art books that I love, computer, and some Alex Ross prints, some toys, the Herculoids toys, more Alex Ross lithographs signed by Alex Ross, some of my comics, keys, and Bowen's statues, busts that I've collected. Not all of them fit in there, so I have a bunch that are actually not displayed, unfortunately for me. Sky Captain World Tomorrow poster. Love the poster. Alex Schomburg poster, Human Torch. Go Nagai's Mazinga Z poster. Some of my Japanese books that inspire my work, and manga as well. So definitely some Osamu Tezuka, Go Nagai, Leiji Matsumoto, Star Wars collection, mostly the bad guy stuff, and some Japanese figures of Marvel and DC characters. Some of my Shogun Warriors, Giant Robot, Astro Boy, Captain Harlock, Powerpuff Girls, and some more robots. Mad Monster Party figures with Underdog and some serial characters. Some more comic books, some more keys, Amazing Spider-Man signed by Todd McFarlane and New Teen Titans. Some reproduction of Migos, and another Iron Giant piece, Giant Robo. Bunch of DVDs that are in my room. Bunch of more books and more art books. Some Marvel books, and that's about it.